Tired of dealing with messy cables, poor audio quality, or wireless mics that cost a fortune? What if I told you there's an affordable wireless mic that actually delivers? Let's unbox the BOYALINK 2A1 and see if this is the game changer we've been waiting for. Hi, I'm Teo. I create videos about tech and coffee. But here's what sets me apart. I only talk about products I personally bought and use every single day. No sponsorships, no fluff, just honest reviews from someone working with a limited budget. Today, we're diving into a product I've been excited to share with you. The BOYA BOYALINK 2A1 wireless microphone. Let's see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. This is going to be a short, to-the-point video. I'll unbox the BOYA BOYALINK 2A1, go over what's inside the box, and explain why I chose this mic over more expensive options. If you're looking for a quick, no-nonsense review, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Comes in a very small box, feels very light. And here's what's inside the box. One cool thing about this particular microphone, it connects to your camera as well as your phone with Type-C and your typical lightning port Apple iOS style device. And all of these tips are interchangeable. As you see here, this is the camera 3.5mm jack TRS. And here's the lightning, and the Type-C port is already on it. This is the receiver, and here's the transmitter, basically the microphone. All right, very cool. And it's a fairly simple packaging. There's a nice little BOYA pouch, not too bad. And a small tiny dead cat for the top of the microphone. This is the silica gel, we don't need that. And here's this here's a USB-A to Type-C charging cable with two heads. Basically, you plug this into the adapter and you charge both of these devices at the same time. It doesn't come with any charging case or anything. This is the most simple version of the BOYA setup. They have the same microphone with an additional transmitter in a charging case, one without the charging case, but basically the hardware is the same. There is no difference. Just this comes with the receiver and a transmitter. Others come with two transmitters, one receiver, and then the third option I think comes with one receiver, two transmitter, and a charging case. I chose this one because, like I said earlier, I work with a very limited budget, and this was under $50, so it worked out just fine for me. Plus, I don't do interviews. The only reason I got this, I want to record myself. So very simple, nothing to write home about. You basically switch these little adapters. This blue little hook type of thing, you kind of pull it with your fingernail and slide this right out. And I think DJI using similar connectors too now with their micro or mini or something. I don't know. I only have one DJI product. I don't have that. And here's the camera transmitter, and here's the lightning port. Let's put the lightning port on just to show you guys. Super easy. Basically slide through these grooves right in. Oops. Right through the grooves again. That's it. This is how you do it. And if you want to remove this, you simply pull this out and slide right out. And let's put the 2.5mm TRS option. Boom. Very cool. So then my plan is to use this on top of the camera, and when I'm out blogging or even recording something in the studio that I need to be moving around, this is going to work out just fine for me. And this is the transmitter. Let's go ahead and put the dead cat on. There really don't need it because mainly indoors I'm working on, but I just want to show you guys. Super easy. I'm going to remove this little plastic cover on it too. The nice shiny design to it with a giant BOYA written on it and in the back. Let's remove that. And it's just kind of like a little clamp type of thing. No magnets, nothing. Just simply put it over here, you know, and start recording. And this goes on top of your camera. This appears to be a very nice microphone. The best part is I like that I can actually connect this to my iPhone, connect this to my Android device. I don't have a newer iPhone, so I have an iPhone 13 Pro, so it's going to be perfect. And also obviously the camera connector is perfect. I can put it on a voice recorder with the 3.5 millimeter jack, as well as a, you know, on the camera. Has a nice deep tip to it, so there shouldn't be any problem unless the jack is in an awkward spot or behind a camera cage or something. But mine is not like that, so it should be just fine. Alright, I think this is a very nice device given the price, $49.99 on Amazon. I think it's a great deal. And yeah, there are lots of positives. I don't see any negatives. Maybe a magnet could have been a nice touch, you know, kind of putting it in the back so I can use it with a magnet. Because I think this little clip partially made out of metal. So I can definitely see this working with a magnet. Other than that, I don't see anything is wrong with it. Sound quality I haven't tested yet, but based on the reviews, appears to be really good. I think it's an excellent mic. I highly recommend it. This will be a wonderful starter lavalier, wireless lavalier type of microphone system. If you're in a similar situation as I am, you know, basically I'm recording myself. I don't do interviews. So I think this is excellent for me, you know, one transmitter, one receiver. It's a great solution. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I told you it's going to be a short one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. One of my amazing audience members might be able to help, and I'll jump in if I can. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me, so thank you for that. I hope you discovered something new and exciting today. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next Teo Steak video.